There is a brown bottle at the back of your medicine cabinet. It cost about $1. Every year, the average driver hands a mechanic $300 to $500 for problems it fixes in 15 minutes on their own driveway. The shops know this. They just do not volunteer it. Every corroded terminal, every cloudy headlight, every stained seat is a line on an invoice they get to write. We are talking about hydrogen peroxide. 4 of these 10 hacks actually matter more than the rest. One is sitting on your battery post right now, quietly costing you $60 a year. One is a 15-minute hack that replaces a $150 interior detail. One has a single step that, if you get it wrong, ruins your roof lining for good. And the last one is sitting on your headlights this second, and it is a $200 fix you are going to want to see before this ends. 3% hydrogen peroxide. The standard brown pharmacy bottle. Not food grade, not industrial strength. Here is why it works. Peroxide is water with one extra oxygen atom bolted on. When it hits rust, mold, or anything organic, it lets go of that atom and tears the contamination apart at molecular level. What is left turns back into water and oxygen. The fizzing is that reaction happening in front of you. One rule first, it covers half this list. On dark fabric, navy, black, burgundy, peroxide carries a bleaching risk. Test a hidden patch first. On beige, gray, tan, and cream, it does not bleach. This is part of a series on the cheap household products that beat what the auto aisle sells you. Let us go. Hack 10, the first one I promised you. Corroded battery terminals. If your car cranks slow on a cold morning, that white crust on the posts is usually the whole story. A shop charges $40 to $60 to clean them, or sells you a battery you did not need. Engine off. Negative terminal off first. Pour peroxide onto the corrosion. It bubbles hard as the sulfate breaks down. 30 seconds. Wipe with a rag. Reconnect. Here is what nobody tells you. The bubbling stops when the reaction is finished. 10 seconds and you are done. Still going after a minute, pour again. The bottle tells you when to stop. Same chemistry the dealership uses, for about 4 cents. But that one only saves you money. The next changes how your car looks from the street. Hack 9. Faded black plastic trim. The trim around your headlights, mirrors, and door handles goes chalky gray after a few summers. Trim Restorer is $15 to $25, and most of it is a silicone dressing that washes off in 3 weeks. Soak a rag in 3% peroxide. Wipe the trim. Let it dry. And here is the part that matters. The peroxide is not coating anything. It oxidizes the UV damaged layer off. So what you see afterwards is the original black underneath. That is why it lasts. A dressing hides the fade. This removes it. Now from outside the glass to inside, the next one is a film you are looking through right now and cannot see. Hack 8. The haze on the inside of your windscreen. Every plastic surface in your dashboard is slowly outgassing, and that vapor lands on the inside of the glass as an oily film. You see it when the sun is low and it throws glare straight into your eyes. Glass cleaner does not touch it, because glass cleaner is built for water-based dirt. This is organic. Equal parts peroxide and water on a microfiber. Wipe across. 30 seconds. Buff with a dry cloth. And the detail worth knowing. This film builds fastest in newer cars because that new car smell is outgassing. Once a month and it never gets bad enough to blind you at sunset. And now the second one I promised you, the $150 one. Hack 7, the one I told you about at the start. The full interior deep clean. A full interior detail runs $150 to $250. Most of it takes 20 minutes on your own driveway. Here is what is actually in your seats. Spilled coffee, sweat dried in 100 times over, crumbs, pet hair, and bacteria living down in the fibers. That is the smell. An air freshener does not fix it. It just puts perfume on top of bacteria. The mix. 1 cup of peroxide, 1 teaspoon of washing up liquid, 1 tablespoon of baking soda into a spray bottle. Shake it. Light spray across the seats and mats. Do not soak them. 15 minutes. It foams slightly as the organic matter lifts to the surface. Then a soft brush and blot dry with a clean towel. Blot, not rub. Rubbing spreads a stain sideways. Coffee rings come out. Pet smell goes. Years of sweat baked into that fabric finally breaks apart. And here is the second layer. Do the boot as well. Boot carpet is the same material, and it is the most neglected surface in the car. Leaking shopping bags, wet sports kit, a dog in the back. Same mix, same 15 minutes. Test a hidden patch if it is dark. That is the $150 every time, for about 30 cents of product. Quick thing, if this is useful, tap the like button. We put real research into these, and one tap genuinely helps. And if you are already planning to try one of these this weekend, drop the number in the comments. I read them. Right, let us keep going, because the next one fixes something washing your car has never fixed once. Hack 6. Hard water spots on chrome and glass. Those white mineral rings on your mirrors and exterior glass make a freshly washed car look filthy. Water spot remover costs $12 to $18. Spray peroxide straight onto the spots. 1 minute. Wipe with microfiber. Here is what makes this work. Those spots are minerals left behind after hard water evaporated. They are bonded to the surface, not sitting on it, which is why they survive every wash. The peroxide breaks the bond. A detailer charges $30 for this, with product that costs him under $1. Next is for anyone who has bought a used car and found out too late the last owner smoked in it. Hack 5. This is the one where getting a step wrong ruins your roof lining. Cigarette staining on the headliner. The yellow on the headliner is nicotine soaked into the fabric. It is the same compound peroxide removes in teeth whitening strips. Chemically, the same job. Equal parts peroxide and water. Hold the bottle at arm's length. Fine mist only. 5 minutes. Blot gently, windows open, let it dry. And this part is not optional. The fine mist is the whole hack. Your headliner is fabric glued to a foam board. Saturate it and the liquid reaches the adhesive. The glue softens and the whole lining sags off the roof. A $200 repair. Distance, fine mist, light hand. Done that way, there is no risk at all. The next one comes with a rule. Get it wrong and the stain is in your seat forever. Hack 4. Blood and protein stains on fabric. Here it is, cold only. Never warm, never hot, never steam. Blood contains hemoglobin, a protein, and heat bonds protein to fabric permanently. A blood stain hit with warm water is in that seat forever. Treated cold, it comes out. Pour peroxide straight onto it at room temperature. It foams. 3 to 5 minutes. Blot firmly with a clean white cloth. Repeat if needed. Here is the useful part. This still works on stains weeks or months old. Dampen with cold water first, then peroxide, then blot. 3 passes instead of 1, but the rule never changes. The moment heat gets involved, whatever is left is there permanently. Stains are one thing. The next problem is alive and grows back. If you only clean what you can see. Hack 3. Mildew on rubber mats and boot carpet. Wet shoes, melted snow. A tent packed away slightly wet. Any of those and you get that gray-black growth in the texture of the mat. Spray peroxide across it. 10 minutes, undisturbed. Stiff brush. Rinse. Then let it dry completely before it goes back in. Now, I am not going to oversell this one. Peroxide kills mildew at the root, which surface cleaners do not. That part is real. But if the conditions are still there, damp carpet, a leaking seal, it is back in a fortnight. The treatment removes what is there. The drying stops the next lot. Leave the car open on the first dry day after. Skip that and you are doing this again next month. The next one is the dirtiest thing you touch every day, not the steering wheel. Hack 2. Cup holders and console crevices. It is the CUP holder. Drinks pool in the bottom, dry out and go brown, plus bacteria from everything that has ever tipped in there. Pour peroxide straight into the bottom, enough to cover it. 5 minutes. Wipe it out. Here's the bit you would not think of. Most cup holders have a small drain hole, and the channel below it is where the worst of the buildup actually sits. No brush reaches it. But the peroxide pools at the opening and carries the reaction down into the channel anyway. The chemistry gets somewhere no tool can. Then do the vents and the console seams with a cotton bud from the same bottle. And that brings us to the last one, the $200 hack you can see from across the car park. And hack 1. The last one I promised you. Foggy yellow headlights. Foggy, yellow, milky headlights. That is not dirt. It is the polycarbonate lens itself oxidizing from years of UV, which is why washing the car has never once made a difference. A detail shop charges $80 to $150 for headlight restoration. A main dealer runs $200 and up. Make a paste. Peroxide and baking soda, about toothpaste thickness. Onto a cloth. Work the lens in small circles, 2 to 3 minutes per light. Rinse. Dry with microfiber. The yellow lifts off. And this is not cosmetic. A clouded lens scatters your beam instead of projecting it. You have been driving with less light than the car was built to give you. Clearing them puts your night vision back. Here is the version that goes further. If the lens is badly gone, do it again and leave the paste on in direct sun for 20 minutes before buffing. UV drives the reaction harder. That is the difference between improved and genuinely clear. $200, 15 minutes, about 20 cents of product. Quick word of caution before you go. 3% only, the brown pharmacy bottle. Food grade peroxide is industrial strength and it will burn your skin. Never mix it with vinegar in the same container. That makes an acid that irritates skin and lungs. Never mix with bleach. Under the bonnet, engine cool and off, and keep it away from electrical connections. Store it. Cool and dark, heat and light kill it. And the quick test. If it does not fizz when you pour it, it has gone flat. Bin it and buy another. They are $1. And for anything mechanical or electrical, call a proper mechanic. This list is the cleaning side. The part shops quietly mark up to $200. So look at what $1 just covered. The $150 interior detail. The $200 headlight job. The terminals, the water spots, the stain rules that actually work. That brown bottle at the back of your medicine cabinet is capable of a lot more than the mechanics, the detail shops, and the auto care aisle will ever volunteer. So here is my challenge. This weekend, take that bottle out to the driveway and pick one number off this list. Just one. Then come back and tell me in the comments which one you did and what it looked like. This channel is about the cheap stuff that outperforms the expensive stuff. If that is your kind of thing, subscribe.